What's up everybody, welcome to the Deta Studios. Today we're gonna be show you that how do you upload your galleries, photos and videos into the Google Drive. So go to your home screen and you need to find out two apps. These two apps is Google Photos and Albums. At first go to your albums or galleries. Here you see right now I'm on my albums. Then you have to select some content. I mean, it can be your albums, photos or videos, any kind of content from your galleries that you want to upload in Google Photos. So right now I'm selecting some items, but I want that 23 items I want to upload in my Google Photos. So I'm selecting again, and here you see I have selected 23 items, and you need to click the share file. For uploading your item into the Google Photos, click the share option. Then again you need to find out an option which name was upload to photos, or you need to find out Google Photos icon. Here is the Google Photos and I'm clicking on it. Here you can see I'm gonna uploading 23 files, and for uploading to the Google Photos, click on the upload option. After clicking the upload option, you will notice it will take some time for upload to be successful. Here you see it's uploaded. Now go back your home screen and find out Google Photos. Here is the right now I'm in the Google Photos apps, and here's the 22 items I have uploaded a few seconds ago. But maybe in your mind you have a question that what is the proof that my 23 items have been uploaded to Google Photos. So go back your galleries and delete these 23 items. So right now I'm deleting my 23 items, and we upload to Google Photos for saving our mobile space. Here you can see my 23 items is gone from my galleries, but deleted file still remains in my Google Photos. Here you can see I have these 23 files which I deleted a few seconds ago. Here is the 23 files you can see. So here is the difference between Google Photos and my albums. Here you can see right now. So that's it guys, that's how you can upload any kind of content from your galleries into the Google Photos. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch like this more videos, then must be subscribed to get update from our channel and show us your love by sharing our videos. See you guys on next video. Stay tuned with us. Tata.